Assalamu alaikum dear students. Now you have a most welcome in this online lecture series for your new semester, that is semester 5th, and the subject which we have to start during this semester, that is numerical analysis. And today our lecture is based on the title, that is the topic number first of your syllabus, that is approximations and these errors. Now before discussing anything about this, what is meant by error, approximation and error, first of all you people should be aware we are dealing with this numerical techniques or numerical analysis. What is meant by this numerical analysis or numerical techniques? Actually this numerical technique or numerical analysis, it is an approximation. It is an approximation method. There are number of problems in mathematics which we can't solve by classical methods. In such a case we are using this approximations. And during 19th and 18th century there were the great mathematicians like Newton, Cauchy, Lagrange, who make use of these techniques for solving the quantum of problems which were not solved by the standard methods. Here we are simply using the approximations. We are not getting the exact value, and we are getting, that is why there comes the topic error and approximation. Now question arises, what is meant by an approximation? What is meant by an error? Error is simply if we have a number and we have the exact value of the number and approximate value of the number, then the difference between this true value and the approximate value, this is called what we call an error. Now your question will be, what is meant by approximate value? We have numbers like 6, 9, 9 by 4, 15, 30. These are called exact numbers. But there are numbers like 11 by 3, pi का value अगर हम देखेंगे, या exponential में e का देखेंगे, √2, which cannot be expressed by finite number of terms. Such a number is called an approximate number. Then the difference between this true value of the number, exact value of the number, and this approximate value, that gives a term that is called the error. Now there is another term that is called significant figures. What is meant by the significant? Simply आप लोग समझो, significant figure means those digits, the digits which are used to express a number are called significant digits. Suppose if we have a number 89653, it has 5 significant figures, that is 8, 9, 6, 5 and 3. If we have a number 2.8, 2.8659, this is again a number with 5 is significant. Moreover, if we have a digit 0.000869, it is a number with 3 significant digits, that is 8, 6 and 9. What these zeros serves only to fix the position of the decimal point. See? Now another term is called rounding off. Rounding off means if we have a number, say 20 divided by 7, which is never ending. In practice we have to cut down it to a measurable number of terms. Suppose 2.86. This process of cutting the surplus digits and retain as many as you need is called a rounding off. Now the types of errors, there is one error that is called a truncation error. Truncation means when we have an infinite series. Suppose अगर हम लेंगे e raised for x का exponent, that is 1 plus x divided by 1 factorial, x square divided by 2 factorial, x cube divided by 2, and so on. And we are cutting down its terms, and we are saying neglecting all the terms with highest power 4. Then we get a term like this: 1 plus x divided by 1 factorial, x square divided by 2, x cube divided by 3 factorial, x raised by 4. अब x raised by 4 के बाद हम terms को नेगलेक्ट, this is called, then this error exists, that is called a truncation error. Now the types of error. In types of error we have first topic, that is called absolute error, relative error and percentage error. Absolute error means अगर हमारे पास error है उसका हम absolute value लेंगे, modulus value of error. What is meant by error? That is true value minus approximate value. अब हम अगर हमारे पास अब error आ गया exact this absolute error, हमने इसको EA से डिनोट किया, अगर हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे exact value से, we are getting relative error. Now percentage, simply if we multiple this relative error by 100, we are getting this percentage. This is all about error, approximation and types of error. Inshallah Rahman, in next lecture we will move ahead. Okay, Allah Hafiz, hope you have enjoyed the lecture.